There's a powerful mindset shift that I want to make sure you have before you start anything in your internet marketing or entrepreneurship career. I'm here in Anguilla, I think it's Anguilla, in the Caribbean. It's amazing out here, and this is a place of immense beauty, right? Behind me, the water is insane, incredible. Probably the best beaches I've ever seen, white sand, and there's not a lot of people even here. It's absolutely paradise. But there's something about this island that a lot of people don't probably realize, and that's that hurricanes happen to hit it like every 10 years or something. It had a huge hurricane like 5 years ago, and a lot of these places are beat up. The hotels are abandoned, and I'm happy to stay in a really nice place here, but half the places just never get rebuilt. And I was actually talking to a CBU student yesterday. He actually walked up to me. He was playing in the live reggae music band at the restaurant we were eating at, and he introduced himself to me. And I realized that I kept telling him one thing. You know, he said, hey, I joined CBU 2 weeks ago. You know, I haven't really gotten into it, but I'm really excited. What would you say? Like, what piece of advice would you give me? And that piece of advice is pretty similar to what I've kind of been realizing is happening here on this island. It's that you have to have the expectation that things are not going to go perfect, all right? If you have the expectation that things are going to be easy, perfect, you're just going to cruise along, then guess what? On the first setback, you're going to be like, I kind of am really disappointed. I lost my motivation. I'm not excited anymore because, hey, my opt-in page, I can't get it online, or hey, I'm having my Facebook ad got disapproved or something like that. You have to have the mentality that although an entrepreneur needs to be really optimistic, right? That you can make a ton of money, you can live the life you want, you can hang out in the Caribbean if you want, we make money while we're vacationing or sleeping or anything, possibilities are endless, but you don't get there without hard work, and you don't get there without setbacks. So I really want you to realize that things are not going to go perfect the first time. It's almost impossible that the first ad you put up is going to make so much money and you're going to be just laughing to the bank. All right, so you need to realize that there's going to be setbacks, there's going to be things that you're going to have to overcome. When I think about projects or think about working with people or thinking about deals, I kind of have a perspective that makes me stay motivated through any little setbacks, right? I don't expect the worst, but I don't get fazed by it, right? I kind of like, you kind of let it roll off your shoulder, right? Like when boxers fight, they kind of like just let things roll off. They don't hit them straight on. And this island, the only successful businesses here are ones that realize, hey, we're probably going to get hit by a hurricane every 10 years. It's okay. That's factored in. That's the cost of doing business, right? So if something happens, you know, I'm not going to get disappointed. You know, it sucks, but hey, we'll rebuild. Hey, we'll plan for it. Hey, it's okay, right? And those are the places that have, this place is the first luxury hotel in Anguilla, and it's lasted through a couple hurricanes, I think, already, right? So it is about putting yourself in the mindset that it's okay, it's the cost of doing business, that things don't always work out perfect. So when you're trying to figure out your niche, or you're trying to get your first sale, or you're trying to put your first ad up, or write your first email sequence, there's going to be setbacks. Maybe they're technological setbacks, like, hey, I just can't figure out how to get this to work, right? Or, hey, there's setbacks from other people, like, you know, I'm getting blocked or banned because I'm not adhering to the terms of whatever platform I'm using. Try to figure out how to find solutions. It's okay if things don't work out the first time. In fact, they almost will never work out the first time. And if you have that mentality, it's going to help you get through all of those steps better. So when I was talking to Evan, the guy who came up to me at the restaurant last night, I kept kind of trying to say, you know, it's all about sticking with it and not getting demotivated and staying on track and motivating yourself to keep reaching your goals. So I think that's an important mindset shift, is that when things don't go right, it's okay. It's part of it, right? You don't succeed without a ton of failures, or small failures at least, behind you. So I want you to have that mindset whenever you're doing anything we talk about, whether it's tactical training or strategies. There's going to be setbacks. That's part of it. And if you have that in your mind, if you totally believe and understand that, and you're okay with that, then you're gonna have a much better chance at reaching the success you want. So that's it. I'm gonna go hop in the water. It's really hot out, and I'll talk to you very soon. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. If you like these videos when we're filming and traveling, and we'll be sure to make some more. So that's it. Talk to you soon. See you later.